A very pragmatic budget that recognizes where we are as a nation. A budget to revive and reposition the country. A regulars of a work program that calls on all of us to pull together. And as the minister quoted the prophet Nehemiah, let us rebuild the walls of Jerusalem. In this context, the walls of Accra and indeed Ghana together. Mr. Speaker, I believe as patriots, we shall all respond. Let us start rebuilding. I believe that at an appropriate time and in the full recognition that we are one people in one country with a common destiny, we shall respond to regrow this country together. On that note, Mr. Speaker, I beg to move that this House takes an adjournment until tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the forenoon, first to ponder over the presentation. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Today, Mr. Speaker, we have heard the Honorable Minister for Finance before this August House declare Ghana a high-risk, distressed debt country. So, Mr. Speaker, this budget is a Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu budget. And therefore, he's put the country on the path to debt restructuring, which he has announced as debt exchange program. So, Mr. Speaker, this budget is a Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu budget. A Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu. Then, Mr. Speaker, today there is no pomp and pageantry. Even they are not happy. That explains why, Mr. Speaker, today he is unaccompanied. Where is the Vice President? He is unaccompanied by the Vice President. But, Mr. Speaker, the Minister have only confirmed that Ghana's economy is now on life support. And when you are on life support, two things can happen: a recovery or the unknown. He has our prayers that will help him to recover the economy. I beg to second the motion.
Hi there. You remember when we used to eat Gary soakings? When you unkatse kakra, nido kakra, what the milk I want, and I say Milo. No boo blog and so It is on that reason I have got myself tasty Gary from I Shine Foods. So what peba, soakings, and as a baby be up the Gary and they tasty Gary from I Shine Foods. And to call them, we'll put the number below. Try it and thank me later. Yes, Nana, I say so.